Another possible issue is if the sales tax items aren't correctly calculating when sales tax is due or not. Now, this is not a normal issue with QuickBooks, but sometimes during setup there are maybe some changes that are made that will actually cause this to be an issue. So literally you have to go through every item that is a invoice. So this is the first one that I found this condition with, but you would normally start at the beginning of the list and open up each one. And what you do is you double click the invoice amount and you look at the actual invoice itself, and you'll notice that on the left hand side you have our items, and the NT stands for non-taxed and the T stands for taxed. And the first thing that jumps out at me is that this hazardous waste NT, which is supposed to be not taxed, is taxed. And the paint materials, the second from the last, is taxed, but it's not taxed. And that's not correct. These are items that are supposed to be adjusted. Now what has happened somewhere along the line is the customer's tax code has been altered. And the way to fix this is just simply go down to where it says customer tax code and do the drop down and choose it to non-taxed, and everything will go to non-taxed, and then you switch it back to taxed again. And what you'll see is that it corrects the taxable situation for each one of these invoices. And then you simply just save and close, and you might get a message that it's an older invoice. This happens to be on 6/28, but if it was an older invoice you'd get a 90-day warranty. So you need to go through each one of these entries that actually have an invoice.